Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your Find My iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Settings. So press this icon for Settings, and we need to go to your own iCloud. So press on your name and it will take you to this page. Then if you look down here, the option will say Find My. So press that one, and then at the top you see Find My iPhone. So here you can turn it on or off. So now we're going to turn it off. Press it, then at the top Find My iPhone, press off. And then it should say enter your Apple ID password, so enter it. And then you could turn it off. So turning off my Find My iPhone, and now Find My iPhone is off. You can do this when you're selling your iPhone, or you take it to the shop to repair it, or just to reset your phone. But if, my opinion, try to put it, Find My iPhone on, so if it gets stolen, you can always find it. And this was how to turn off Find My iPhone.